Hey, what's up guys? This video we're going to try to clean up the rockers and push rods, try to get the rust off of them and see if we can get them halfway usable. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is take this little wire brush and try to clean off all the big chunks of rust off of each one. Be nice to have a parts cleaner, but I don't have one, so. That looks a lot better already. I am gonna let these soak in some CLR. Try to clean them up some more. As you can tell, that's a lot better already, just with the wire brush. Looks like they've been sitting in the bottom of a lake somewhere. Then grooved barnacles and stuff on it. Look at it. It got some barnacles on it. Yay. I'm just taking a screwdriver and scraping the big chunks off. Alright, got some CLR. I'm gonna soak these things. There's a little bit of rust down in there I couldn't get. I'm just gonna let them soak in this for a little bit. Alright, so I let it soak in here probably 5 minutes or so. So I'm gonna take it outside now. And thought I had some brake cleaner, but I got some mass airflow cleaner. That should work maybe. I'm gonna spray each one off, clean all the CLR off, and then I'll probably soak it in a little bit of oil. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with it. Alright, I got them all cleaned up. They cleaned up pretty good. Look a lot better than they did. And push rods too. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the lifters out and take a look at them. See what they look like. I got some cleaning to do. Hopefully y'all seen the roll pretty good. It's really dirty. Alright, I'm gonna set these things over here in order so I don't mix them up. And I'll just set the other two here. Alright, so I'm going to try to clean this thing out while it's upside down. Just so if the big chunks will fall out instead of going down in the engine. I'm trying to scrape it big chunks of rust out of there with a screwdriver. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this surface off where the head gasket sits while I'm cleaning this other stuff. Alright, got it all cleaned up. Looks a little better than it did. There's still a little rust in that one. Couldn't fit my big hand in there to get it all, but it's better than it was. I got it all cleaned up pretty good. It's decent. I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.